all my kids when I was 7.
Can you sing it again? Can you sing it again?
This time it's gonna be a silly one. Look how silly it is. You're gonna do a new song that's called Row to Your Boat. Actually, it's for
home. Okay, row to your boat to your home, home, home. Go ahead. Is that the end? That was pretty good. Got any more?
Shake. That's fast.
That's all there was? Oh, we'll do some more.